अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आई होप आप सब ठीक ठाक हैं, खैरियत से हैं। कुछ दिन से आप लोग मेरी वीडियोस पे इतना एंगेजमेंट नहीं शो कर रहे, but the weekend has started and I am back with a weekend video which is going to be a very nice video. So if you haven't subscribed yet and if you haven't watched my other videos this weekend, please watch all my other videos and subscribe to my channel. तो आज जो है guys, हम लोग जा रहे हैं for my first ever HYDRA facial and you guys have all requested skin care बहुत ज़्यादा, तो मैंने सोचा कि आज आप लोगों को अपने साथ लेके जाऊं and we are gonna go and get my first ever HYDRA facial done and I'm gonna give you a review of the place. But place से ज़्यादा, because आप लोग सब यहाँ के नहीं हो, तो place से ज़्यादा I'm more interested in telling you about the HYDRA facial, what it is, what the results will be, all of that. मेरा बिल्कुल मूड नहीं था कि मैं तैयार होके जाऊँ, बट मैंने थोड़ा सा मेकअप लगा लिया। मैंने कहा वो बेचारे क्लिनिक वाले मुझे देख के डर ही ना जाए. So I've put some makeup on, I'm ready, let's go get a HYDRA facial done. Okay you guys, I have just reached, so the place is called Glow and Go, ठीक है, Glow and Go. It is actually a branch from England, United Kingdom, and इनका लंदन में, यहाँ कहीं एड्रेस लिखा हुआ था लंदन वाला भी, but basically इनका लंदन में एक क्लिनिक है and they have it in Lahore and this is their Islamabad one. So I'm here, I was invited by them very kindly. तो इन्होंने मुझे कहा आपने PRP कराना है या आपने HYDRA facial कराना है, माइक्रो नीडलिंग भी होती है, लेज़र भी होता है, all of that. तो I was like I'll do the HYDRA facial, बाकी सब I don't want to get PRP done, I'm scared of micro needling और लेज़र मैं खुद ही कर लेती हूँ. So I thought I'll do HYDRA facial. तो HYDRA facial के लिए चलते हैं, मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगी. मुझे शादी के टाइम बहुत लोगों ने रेकमेंड किया था, बट आई वाज सो स्कैर्ड ऑफ गेटिंग इट डन कि कुछ और ही ना हो जाए, तो मैंने नहीं करवाया. बट टुडे लेट्स गो, आई हैव गॉट माय बैग, गॉट माय कीज, फोन उठा लेते हैं दूसरा एंड देन लेट्स गो. मैं आपको बिल्डिंग भी दिखाती हूँ. आई एम जस्ट रियली कंसर्न कि हाइजीनिक सी जगह होगी वैसे, बिकॉज इट्स अ ह्यूज चेन एंड इट्स एन इंटरनेशनल चेन, तो I'm sure it'll be amazing. So let's go and see. Another key pointer I wanted to give you guys quickly is कि अगर आप कभी भी इस तरह का कोई facial कराएं, especially HYDRA facial, make sure you're going to a clinic. Make sure you're going where there's a dermatologist and where there's a cosmetic person sitting there, because आप लोग अगर salon से कराएंगे ना, this is a chemical procedure. This is not a facial per se. It's an actual procedure जिसमें chemicals involved होते हैं, जिसमें light involved होती है, all of that. So it's a very sensitive procedure that's happening on your face. So always go to a derma first and then उसी से करवाएं. Salons में parlor जाके मत करवाएं. It's not something that you're supposed to get at a parlor, okay? Okay, so this is the place you guys, Glow and Go, and ये देखिए Harley Street, London, यहाँ लिखा हुआ है. And they do like skincare, laser, aesthetic stuff, all of that. So let's go up, let's see क्या scene है. So this machine, my face is gonna go in here, and then she's the doctor. She's gonna look on the screen, वो देखेगी कि मेरे skin के क्या issues हैं. Is going to look through the layers of my skin and see what the issues are, and then they'll see like what treatment they need to do. Like we are doing the HYDRA facial, but they'll know what chemicals need to go in.
प्रोडक्शन उन्हें बताइए तो इट्स लाइक 31%.
ठीक है.
मोस्टली टी जोन में थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा एंड अराउंड योर नोज.
ठीक है.
चिन में होती है तो दैट्स नॉर्मली फाइन.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. पोर्स, फोरहेड में पोर्स आपके थोड़े ज़्यादा है एंड नोज के अराउंड लिटिल बिट ऑन योर लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ योर चीक. ठीक है, बाकी इट्स फाइन, लेकिन फोरहेड इज लाइक अ प्रॉब्लमेटिक एरिया.
ठीक है. This is the place you guys. It's very clean. You guys know I have my clean issues, clean freak problems. So look at it. It's so clean. Very neat and tidy place. Very nice and clean. And then this is the machine that they put my head in. आपने देखा होगा अभी I put my head in. You basically put your face in here and it will scan your entire every skin layer, and then फिर वो उसमें आ जाती है और वो एक पूरी आपकी रिपोर्ट निकालती है what all you need और आपका क्या सिस्टम है. So now my face consultation is done. अभी मेकअप रिमूव करके then we're gonna go in for the HYDRA facial. ठीक है. She said that my skin is fine, and in fact it's like if my age for now is 27, my skin is actually at the age of 25, 26. So it's actually very good, alhamdulillah. But I do have some sun damage here and here. एंड थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे सन डैमेज है, तो उसने कहा यहाँ के लिए आप यूवी अपनी इंक्रीज़ करें, लाइक जो आपकी सनस्क्रीन है वो इंक्रीज़ करें. Other than that, everything's fine. Obviously, this skin of mine under the eyes is very thin and sensitive, so वो काफ़ी लोगों की होती है, so I need a better eye cream for that. But other than that, we're good. तो अब बस जाएंगे and we're gonna get the facial done. Okay, so now I have to fill a treatment form, which you have to tell them whatever you're allergic to, whatever's happening. So you have to put all the information below, ठीक है? And उसके बाद फिर वो आपका start कर देंगे. This is just their brochure, but this is the form which is very important. ये आपको fill करना है because इसमें ये देखें bleeding disorder और phobia and all of that उसका है. So it's very important for your doctor and your dermatologist to know all of this about you. Again, which is why I said don't go to a regular salon or like a parlor to get this stuff done, because there's an actual procedure. This is an actual dermatological procedure that's happening to you. It's not like आप parlor में जाएंगे मुंह धो के, you know, put 2 creams on and come back. It's very different. So you have to go to like a professional to do this. But anyway, this is the form. I'm gonna fill it up and then we'll move forward. Okay guys, while I wait for my turn, they've given me very nice chai. Let me show you. Look at that. So I'm gonna have my chai, and अभी मैंने उनसे डिटेल में पूछा of the difference between chemical peel, BB glow and HYDRA facial. So chemical peel में ये है कि if I opt for that, which is what they consulted me to do, she said that अगर आप chemical peel करा लेते हो, it'll be your skin, the top layer is gonna peel off, but the fresh skin is gonna be very very healthy और वो बेहतर होगी. But because I'm a little scared of that right now, so I said we'll stick to the HYDRA facial, and next time I can come for the peel. But they said that there's another thing that people are doing these days. It's called the BB glow, and उसमें ये है कि they introduce a pigment into your skin. So that's if you've got really dark skin, so they do that. But उसका भी ये है कि it takes around 6 to 7 sittings for your skin to look better. So yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna do the HYDRA facial. I haven't opted for the other 2 things today, but बाद में कभी I'll do that. अभी बस चाय पीते हैं, ठीक है? ये पढ़ते हैं इनका ब्रोशर पूरा. I want to find out more about skincare stuff, and उसके बाद then my procedure is gonna start. They're just sanitizing the machinery and everything. उसके बाद then we will start. ये जो है ना, this is about the peeling. But I'm just really scared of the peeling thing. और ऊपर से आप लोगों को पता है जून की ओपनिंग है, so I don't want कि मेरी skin उस टाइम peel हो रही हो. But they also have chin surgery, like you can inject अगर आपकी double chin है. Again, not something that I'm opting for, but they have a lot of options. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ, ये देखें. So here is their entire menu, ठीक है, and you can check उसके अंदर कि आपको क्या चाहिए. They have let me see, where is the thing that these are all the steps for the HYDRA facial. So this is the Glow HYDRA machine that they're gonna use, and then इसमें आप देखो, you're gonna start with cleansing and exfoliation. Then is the acid peel. Now this peel is way gentler than your chemical peel. इसमें बहुत mild chemicals use होंगे compared to your chemical peel, ठीक है. Then you're gonna have your extractions, then the hydration, and then protection. So this is gonna seal everything in, ठीक है. So it's like a 5-step process, which we're gonna see how it works out for me. Okay you guys, I washed my face, I've put my hair up, and now we're gonna go and do whatever we're gonna do. I don't know what we're gonna do, but मैं आपको एक दफ़ा वो दिखा देती हूँ area. It's very very clean, completely sanitized. Wait, so this is the inside. I don't know why the light keeps flickering, but this is the machine that they'll use. This is their own machine जो वो लंदन में भी यूज़ होती है. This is the seat where I'm gonna be on. It's a completely sanitized, clean space, so nothing to worry about. Lips. Okay guys, I know I probably look like a ghost, but अभी मेरा क्या कहते हैं, the mask is on, but I thought I'll just quickly come in and show you guys that. And again, this is the machine that they've been using. I've got Lala Rukh to record as much as she can for you, so we'll see kitty recording hai, but yeah. I just got done with it and my face is so hydrated, so nice. I know I look like beaten up, but that's because वो suction करते हैं ना तो थोड़ा red हुआ होता है. But look at how glowy and beautiful and hydrated my face looks in one sitting. और जब इस पर मेकअप होगा तो आई एम सो एक्साइटेड टू सी कि इसकी इस तरह के स्मूथ स्किन पे मेकअप कितना अच्छा लगता है. बट या मैंने हल्की सी लिपस्टिक लगा ली, मैंने कहा थोड़ा तो अलाइव लगूँ. बट द प्रोसीजर वाज सो नाइस. शी वाज लिटरली सो जेंटल. उसका हाथ इतना जेंटल था एंड एवरीथिंग वाज डन सो नाइसली. आई जस्ट फील लाइक लुक एट द स्किन, so good, so good. Hello you guys, back in the car and honestly I'm not even kidding, like now I'm out of the building so mujhe kya hi hona hai, but honestly the experience was so good. Oh my god, it was so good. My face, like look at it, isn't it looking like new skin lag rahi hai mujhe. So good. अभी तो बहुत thick एक क्या कहते हैं सन ब्लॉक की लेयर लगी हुई है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली आई हैड टू ड्राइव बैक इन द सन. सो सन ब्लॉक की लेयर लगी हुई है. द वन थिंग दे डिड सजेस्ट इज दैट मैं 30 SPF से 50 SPF पे चली जाऊँ एंड 50 SPF सनस्क्रीन यूज़ करना शुरू कर दूँ. एंड शी सेड दैट आई नीड टू मॉइस्चराइज माई स्किन वे मोर देन आई डू राइट नाउ. सो आई सेड ओके, इवन दो मैं अभी भी इतना मॉइस्चराइज करती हूँ लेकिन आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट द वेदर हियर या क्या सीन है. सो शी सेड आई जस्ट नीड टू डू दैट एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ इट लाइक लुक, isn't the skin looking like wow, mashallah. So skin is looking wonderful. I really enjoyed my experience. This is called, I'll tell you again, the Glow and Go Cosmoderma Clinic. You must come here. ये इनका इस्लामाबाद वाला रावलपिंडी वाला ब्रांच है. ये PWD में है, but they have a branch in Lahore, they have a branch in Gujranwala, they have a branch in London on Harley Street. They have a branch in, I don't know, they have like a few branches. So check out their Instagram. And I think this HYDRA facial that I got is around 10k or 11k, I'm not too sure. लेकिन you can always come for a consultation and you can always ask them कि आपके ऊपर क्या बेहतर सूट करेगा and then you can get that accordingly. So for hydration, this is what I use. ये Drunk Elephant का Lala Retro Whipped Cream है. This is the 6 African Oils वाला ceramide और ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. And then I use these Elizabeth Arden capsules for my under eyes. लेकिन under eye के लिए मैं कोई और cream भी ले लूँगी. Then I also use this Drunk Elephant का product. This is the HYDRA Intensive Serum. ये भी बहुत अच्छा है, ठीक है. The sunscreen I was using was either this, some days, sorry बहुत ही गंदा हो रहा है, but ये ordinary का SPF 30 है, या फिर मैं ये Lancome का यूज़ करी थी which is like SPF 15 only. तो she said you have to switch over to a 30 now. तो अब मुझे a 50 now, तो I'm gonna have to switch this. But yeah, retinol she said I don't need to use. I told her कि मेरे पास ये है, should I use retinol? So she said you absolutely don't need to use retinol right now. If you want to introduce it to your skin तो कर लो, लेकिन बहुत कम potency में, लेकिन ज़रूरत as such अभी तुम्हें retinol की नहीं है. Okay you guys, so that's all for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is all for my skincare lovers जिन्होंने मुझे comment किया बहुत ज़्यादा कि skincare का कुछ बताएं. So this is for you guys. And today I'm just gonna keep my skin bare, ठीक है, and it's just gonna be like this. और I'm just gonna let it breathe. थोड़ी देर बाद इसको मैं धो के और फिर मैं उसके बाद दोबारा से इसको moisturize कर लूँगी. But that's about it you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please subscribe, like, comment and share. And yeah, so this is it. I know that I was invited, but guys, this is my genuine review. I was so raw and so barefaced today on camera. आप लोगों के सामने ही है. And I thought I'll keep it as raw as I can for you guys so that it's a genuine thing for you to see. And I hope आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा हो कि मैं कितनी raw और unfiltered आप लोगों के सामने आ जाई हूँ. Literally मेरे मुंह के अंदर घुसा हुआ था कैमरा, but it's fine, anything for you guys. So please like and appreciate the video. And my opinion and my review is 100% genuine. I genuinely had a very good time. They gave me very good service. My face actually feels very hydrated, very nice, and their products are very nice. उनके अपने ही products हैं, Glow and Go के अपने products हैं जो वो use करते हैं. You can also buy them at the counter if you want. But yes you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Love you all. I'll see you again. Allah Hafiz.